I'm Terry Morrill, the General Manager of Pacific Outdoor Living, and today we're going to talk about the White Project. David White, the customer, came to us with a problem. He started out with a designer in another company that was a design-build company, and as they progressed, the budget kept growing, and he was now about $250,000 over what he said was maximum budget. It was an extremely difficult project on a hillside. His pool was actually sliding down the hill. And he had bought the house a couple of years before, started leaking water, tried to get it fixed. There was like no access to the backyard, which a project like this, you need to get heavy equipment in there. So anyhow, we did some value engineering, look at where and how we could get the budget down, how we could build the elements that he wanted and cut $200,000 off it. So one of the things that we did right away was we planned to remove 3 trees of his neighbors, a block wall, so we could get the machinery in there. And we actually had to cut part of his eave off to get the big driller in there that drill basically 48 feet deep. As we were doing this, he still wanted most of the elements from the original design in it, which was a pool and a spa, infinity edge, where you see the water disappearing off the side, a kitchen area, a fire pit and seating area, and then it was on 3 different levels, so if we could make 2 levels just so that would give more usable space. So what I liked that turned out best is everything fit together. All the elevations fit, and all the details that you might not see, where everything lined up, where we have the edge of the pool, you don't have your tile or your pavers sticking over 3 inches here and 6 inches at the other end. All the steps, all the elevations, the infinity pool, flowed great. Spa was at the perfect elevation. Everything worked great and looked fantastic. And it all came together.